Alright guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to upgrade from lower level to higher level on Ocean. Okay, so first and first you have to make sure you have optimistic ETH in your wallet. Okay, so you can get optimistic ETH through a trusted person or seller. Okay, you can send your cash to me while I fund you, and you can also get it directly on a crypto exchange like MEXC Global. Okay, so once that is done, you're good to go. The next step is to click on discover. All right, then you click here, and I'm gonna click on the Ocean link. So this is my dashboard. Okay, as you can see, I actually joined yesterday, 20th of April 2025. All right, so I'm gonna upgrade now from this rank to the next rank. Okay, the higher the rank, the higher the money you make, the more money you make. Okay, so you must make sure you upgrade yourself to higher level. But before upgrading yourself to higher level, make sure you notify your sponsor or your upline. Okay, because if you upgrade to higher level before your upline will definitely lose money. Okay, so your upline must upgrade before you. So you should also tell your team members as well, so before they upgrade they should inform you. Okay, so that you'll be able to upgrade to a higher level before they do so. And don't forget, all you need is to register at least minimum of 2 person. Okay, and the interesting part of this opportunity is that once you register the first person, you start making money. Okay, you start earning. This is really a wonderful opportunity. So now I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see right here, we have rank upgrade. So first, let me show you my current rank. So this is my current rank right here, frontline. So I want to upgrade to the next level. Okay, to the higher level. I already have 2 direct referrals. Okay, so I'm gonna click on rank upgrade. So as you can see, just a tap, automatically it will show you the amount you have to pay. So currently what I have to pay is $2, okay, to upgrade to the next level. This actually varies. It could be more than this if Ethereum price skyrocket or increases. Okay, and it could be lesser than this if Ethereum price dump or goes down or decreases. So I'm going to click on confirm right now, and as you can see, upgrade successful. Yep. So this opportunity, I think, is the most affordable opportunity right now, because with less than $3 you can actually get started now, because the Ethereum price is still low. If Ethereum price gets to like $5,000, you can't join with less than $3 anymore. Okay, so the beauty of this opportunity again is that as you join now, okay, you are positioning yourself. If Ethereum price is going up, you'll be able to earn more. Like, yeah, because your $2 now, if Ethereum price gets like $4,000, your $2 now or your $500 earnings will automatically be like $1,000 plus. Okay, if Ethereum price gets to $10,000 today, that means automatically your earnings will like be 10x times 10. Okay, so if you don't join today now with less than $3, later if Ethereum price gets like $10,000, that means you are going to join with like about $30. Okay, so it's better to join now, take advantage of this opportunity now while Ethereum price is still low. Okay, so now let's check out my current rank. So I have to refresh so that it will show me the current rank, right? So let's say I want to upgrade to another level again. The same process applicable. So as you can see, my current rank is homestead rank. So if I want to upgrade to the next rank, I just have to do is to click on rank upgrade. So I need $4 plus for these. I just have to do is to click on confirm. It's loading. Okay. So if I refresh now, you see that I will move from this homestead rank to another rank. So metropolis rank. All right. So your target right now as you join is to make sure you upgrade to the highest level you can afford. Okay. So like, because Ethereum price is still cheap now. So if you are upgrading now, that means you'll be upgrading at a very huge discount price. You understand? So that's just it, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. If so, please make sure you like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.